Presenting iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. The available sizes are 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. The available colors are Onyx green and titanium matte. This smartphone has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Designed with 3D curved AMOLED display, 1008 nits local peak brightness, and 120Hz refresh rate that ensures outstanding visibility, even in direct sunlight. Featured with 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 OIS camera with anywhere alike, AI photo enhance ensures no memory is blurry and AI error is standard. It is built with MediaTek Dimesity 7300 with 702K plus N2 True Score, 4nm TSMC octa-core CPU architecture and Fun Touch OS 14 based on Android 14. It comes with 0.749 cm ultra slim body with 5500 mAh battery and 44 watts flash charge. The box includes cell phone, charger, USB cable, eject tool, quick start guide, warranty card, and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with